A Ring doorbell camera captures the terrifying moment when a woman's ex-boyfriend is shot and killed by her father. It happened on July 31st in Sydney, Ohio. Allison Duckrew says she and her mother returned home from breakfast when her ex-boyfriend approached the front door. When no one answers the door, the man starts to get physical. Through all this, Allison places a call to 911.
There's some guy on my front porch, and he won't leave, and he's got his hands behind his back, and he won't answer me on the ring. Okay. But he left me a voicemail on my phone last night.
Where? That voicemail came from 22-year-old James Rail, who Allison says she dated several years ago.
Hi, Allie. It's James. I just wanted to reach out to you because I just wanted to see how you're doing. It's been a while since I've talked to you, and I feel like it. I don't know what I feel. I do know that I do want to talk to you, though. I do. It'd be nice. It'd be sweet.
Allison later tells investigators she did not return the call.
And he's tried to contact me a couple times, and I've ignored it. And then last night he called me at 11:40. I didn't answer. He left me a voicemail saying, "Hey, let's talk." I didn't answer him.
After Rail breaks through the family's door, Allison's father, Mitchell Duckrew, calls out with a warning. Seconds later, 3 shots are fired in Rail's direction.
Getting further.
Please hurry, I'm sorry.
Ma'am?
Yeah?
What's going on?
He broke through the door and my dad shot at him.
Ring footage shows Rail falling to the ground before dragging himself toward the family's garage. Soon after, several neighbors approached the scene.
He tried to break in and get to our daughter.
Okay, well, he's not moving. He'll have a gun.
He broke our door in.
Did you shoot him?
Yes.
Oh, shit. Okay. Call 911.
We're on the phone with them right now.
Meanwhile, Allison remains on the line with 911 and can be heard comforting her father.
Dad, you're the best dad ever. You just saved my life.
I know I got Fort Lauderdale. It's gonna be Fort Lauderdale.
No, you saved my life, Dad.
You what?
As the Duckrew family stays inside the home, neighbors outside monitor the situation.
Dude, I don't... You better hurry up and get an ambulance down here.
Oh, my gosh. Hey, did you already tell them, Alan?
Yeah.
Did you
Did you tell me he shot? He's dead? He's shot?
He's gone.
Dude, he's about ready to die. Yeah, I hear him. He's dead. He died.
Several minutes after gunshots rang out, officers arrived to the scene.
The guy's dead right here. Where's the guy with the gun?
Inside the house. He's the homeowner. The guy tried to break in the house.
Okay.
And the guy was just basically protect himself.
We're right here.
Okay, you guys have your gun down?
Yeah, we're right here.
Officers enter the home and secure the weapon used in the shooting. After that, the Duckrew family explains how the situation began and quickly escalated.
Was he following all 3 of you or just you? Just you two? And you were already home?
Yeah, we just came back from breakfast.
Okay.
Knew where I was.
Okay.
He just followed me and zipped into my driveway.
Allison tells officers she had no communication with Rail for several years until he called her out of the blue.
How he talked on the phone, I should have known he was going to do something stupid.
Body camera footage also shows Allison embracing her father and later sitting next to him near the family pool. At the same time, other officers secure the situation in the front of the home and speak with neighbors.
So we're here next door and all this.
I heard the gunshots and I seen him drop. And
invasion. The homeowner. I mean, you see a body laying there.
An Ohio grand jury later declined to indict homeowner Mitchell Duckrew in the shooting based on stand your ground laws in the state. For the latest developments in this story and all things true crime, stay with Law and Crime Network. I'm Sierra Gillespie.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.